everyone, welcome back to the Silly Scissors. Today we are making a really fun 3D butterfly pop-up card. Let's get started. I'm starting with a thick sheet of paper. This one is 300 GSM, so it's nice and sturdy. I fold it in half and sketch out a butterfly shape. We will need 7 butterflies in total, so I cut them out one by one. Now I'm coloring the first one, adding the outline and shading it a little so it looks more lively. I do the same with the rest until all 7 are ready. Now it's time to put them together. I fold the edge of one butterfly wing. That's where the next butterflies will be glued on. I add some glue here and carefully press 2 butterflies in place. One on the bottom half and the other on the top half of the wing. I just keep repeating the system, gluing them step by step. The pattern goes like this. One butterfly connects to the 2, then a single butterfly connects to those 2, then the next 2 butterflies get added, and finally last single butterfly connects at the end. I'm struggling a little with the glue here, but with some patience, it works out fine. Now you can really see the pattern and how all the butterflies are connected. And that's it. Our project is finished. A beautiful 3D butterfly right inside the card. Finally, when the stack is ready, I glue the very first butterfly into the greeting card while it's folded flat. Then I close the card to press it down and glue the other side of the butterfly stack. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. I hope you had fun. If you like this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Silly Scissors for more creative ideas. See you next time.